When you think about agriculture in Puerto Rico, sugarcane, coffee, and tropical fruits come to mind. Yet the dairy industry on the island represents more than 25% of the island's total agricultural related income. In fact, milk production is the single biggest sector of Puerto Rico's agricultural economy. Milk is also one of the few products on the island that is not imported from anywhere else, and those who have consumed this milk want to keep it that way. The island's milk has been touted as one of the best, if not the best, in the world. It has garnered a reputation for its exceptional taste, often praised for its richness, creaminess, and natural sweetness. But why is it so good? When we talk about the uniqueness of the milk from Puerto Rico, there are several factors that come into play. One of the key factors driving the quality of Puerto Rican milk is the emphasis on sustainable farming practices. Many dairy farms on the island prioritize organic or natural methods, minimizing the use of artificial additives and chemicals. This approach ensures that the cows consume a diet that is free from harmful substances, resulting in milk that is both wholesome and flavorful. Furthermore, sustainable farming practices often involve rotational grazing, allowing cows to roam freely in pastures and consume a variety of grasses and herbs. This natural diet contributes to the richness and complexity of the milk's flavor profile. Animal care is another essential aspect of Puerto Rican dairy farming. Many farms prioritize the well-being of their cows, providing them with adequate space, shelter, and nutrition. By treating animals with compassion and respect, farmers can create a stress-free environment that promotes healthy milk production. Additionally, responsible animal care practices help to prevent diseases and ensure the overall health of the herd, which is crucial for producing high-quality milk. Other factors include climate and geography. The tropical climate of Puerto Rico offers both challenges and advantages for dairy farming. While the heat and humidity can be taxing for dairy cattle, farmers have adapted by implementing strategies to keep their animals cool and comfortable. Many farms use shaded structures, fans, and water sprinklers to reduce heat stress in cows, ensuring they remain healthy and productive. Additionally, some Puerto Rican dairy farmers have incorporated tropical adapted breeds like the Puerto Rican Criollo and the Senegal into their herds. These cattle are known for their ability to thrive in hot, humid climates, and they exhibit greater resistance to parasites and diseases commonly found in tropical environments. By utilizing these breeds or crossbreeding with them, with traditional dairy cattle like Holsteins and Jerseys, farmers have created cows that are better suited to Puerto Rico's climate, producing milk consistently even under challenging conditions. The island's geography also plays a crucial role in milk production. The lush green landscape provides ample space for grazing, and the nutrient-rich soil supports the growth of high-quality forage, which directly influences the quality of the milk produced. The island's climate also allows for year-round grazing, which means less supplemental feeding and the promotion of healthier, happier cows. Puerto Rico currently has approximately 250 or so dairy farms with around 100,000 heads of cattle, half of which are milked. More than 60% of these farms are concentrated around the city of Hatillo, about 50 miles outside of San Juan. One reason dairies develop so heavily in the area is because it's one of the coolest locations on the island, with a breeze coming in from the ocean. Other areas on the island where dairy farms are significant include Mayagüez, San Sebastián, Arecibo, Camoy, and the Lajas Valley. Let us know what you think in the comment section below. Help us to spread this video by sharing. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos.